This is Dawson Meadows live from Parrot Island Waterpark. Kids, we're gonna have a great time today. If you've not signed up for some free Parrot Island Waterpark passes, go to thingstodoenforcement.com. And if you've not seen all the great slides, go ahead. And attractions they have here, behind me the wave pool. Get ready, because this right here is gonna capture it all. Right here at Parrot Island Waterpark, I'm Dawson Meadows. This stash is for you. Dawson Meadows at Parrot Island Waterpark. If you want some free passes, free season passes to Parrot Island Waterpark, go to thingstodoenforcement.com. We're getting set to go down what they're calling the pineapple plunge right here, the yellow slide. Notice how fast it goes. That'll be me later. Got my selfie stick, got my GoPro. Let's do this. I'm Dawson Meadows. This dash is for you. For you!